चांगल्या पाण्यात पडत सोड घ्या तिथं. जाऊन काय जातो.
So guys, the bus over there is stuck in the mud, so we will take out it by this tractor. They have attached the rope. Now we will attach this rope to the tractor. See, the bus is stuck very badly, so we will take out it from the tractor. See, they are attaching the rope. Wait, see, they are attaching. They are attaching the rope. Then we will just pull it by the tractor. So yeah.
व्हिडिओ काढाली वाय. ए प्रेम्या व्हिडिओ काढाली. व्हिडिओ काढाली आणि ह्याच्यात ते करायला.
So yeah, see. Yeah. Tractor power. Akshita. Akshita. Now they are taking out the rope because the bus is taken out. Okay, let me show you the one. If this and the same tire of that side was stuck, so we take out that.